So with my implements, I'm locating my dirty implements. I've got them, and I'm going to take them over to the dispensary area to clean them. When I get here, I'm going to locate the first step to clean, and then I'm going to read the back for the manufacturer's directions on how to do the first clean process. And I've got it ready, and I'm going to rock it out. You got to rinse them after you clean them. Really want to make sure that all this is clean and dry, because you don't want any water on it to affect or dilute the next step of the cleaning and disinfecting process. So we're clean and dry with the first step. So now what we have to do is locate a disinfectant that is bactericidal, virucidal, and fungicidal, and also registered by the EPA for use in beauty salons and salon setting. We have to read the disinfectant manufacturer directions for an implement, and then we'll follow the directions for mixing. So we have our implements right here, and we need to change how we're covered. So I'm going to put on a pair of disposable gloves. take my glasses off and put goggles on. So now I'm covered and I can locate that product, and I have found it, and I'm going to pretend like mine's Barbicide. So I've looked on the front, it says anti-rust. I'm looking on the back for that EPA number. I'm reading and following my instructions. And I know for Barbicide specifically that it is for every 32 ounces you need 2 ounces of Barbicide. I'm going to need 16 ounces of water to submerge my implements, so I'm only going to need 1 ounce of Barbicide. So I'm going to measure everything out. I'm going to measure out 16 ounces of water first. Over 16 ounces there. And then I'm going to measure 1 ounce of Barbicide, and this is actually a quarter of a cup, which is 2 ounces, so an eighth of a cup would be 1 ounce, so I know that I'm going to put half in here. And then I'm going to pour it in, and I do not have to actually stir it. It does it itself. I also need to seal it tightly, which I'm doing and have done. And then once that's done, you will leave it and set the timer based on the instructions, and it's a 10-minute timer for this. So I'm pretending like I'm setting my 10-minute timer. We are videoing, so I'm not gonna actually wait the 10 minutes. We're gonna pretend like it's time. Beep, the alarm has gone off, and we can move forward. So what we need to do now is take our implements out and rinse them thoroughly with hot water. So we're gonna take it out, rinse it out, and we're gonna turn on some hot water, and we're gonna rinse it. And then we have to dry them. We dry them. Are you here to see?
I wanted to drop off a magazine and get a business card first.
Okay. One second.
I don't want to disturb you.
You're totally fine. Don't worry about it. Totally fine.